5 weeks felt far too long, and the cheetah showed it with a flood of loving kisses for his dad. In front of his caretaker, the mighty lion softens into a playful kitten, melting into her arms.
Oh my God, I love you so much. It's okay.
To this loyal dog, it feels like a dream that his soldier dad is really back home.
Oh, it's Daddy.
Have you ever seen a seal this sweet? This is how he greets his old friend after nearly 3 months apart. It seems this gentle giant never wants to let go of his human best friend, holding him tight and showering him with kisses.
Единственный мужик, с которым я не сумел в десну жахнуться.
Кунг-фу! Вот вы любите друг друга, вообще жесть. Кунг-фу!
The sweetest gift came from the elephant, greeting his caretaker with love on her birthday homecoming. Nothing makes the puma happier than seeing his dad walk through the door after a long work trip.
Вы скучали? Но если ты мне мешать одеваться не будешь, то будет еще быстрее. Еще быстрее. Но ты будешь, да? Но ты будешь.
This is the tender reunion of Kiara the lioness with the man she calls her human dad. If you love this adorable lion, hit subscribe.
No está gorda, está puerquilla.
Even cold-blooded reptiles can show warmth, and this one melts in the arms of the human who loves him.
Feel those claws. Feel those claws.
Every visit from their friend fills the leopards with a joy they can't hide. 3 weeks felt like forever, but now the python can curl up peacefully with the human she loves most.
I'm just holding her right here.
Who could ever say wolves don't grow attached when this one shows such deep affection for his human friend?
E poi non dite che non sono affettuosi.
Oh, look at this.
In the arms of the only person who treats him with kindness, the circus monkey holds on tight, as if begging not to be taken away again.
Oh my God. Look at, he's looking at you.
You can see just how much the goose missed his human friend in the way he greets him back home. The lioness held her close, as if she never wanted to let go.
Clara is a 7-year-old.
With every year, the seal's bond with her caretaker has only grown deeper and stronger.
Now she can show off her vocals. She can show you how agile she is. And if you get a close-up, she'll show you how gorgeous she is. God, look who's here. Look.
At first, the German Shepherd hesitates, but in her heart she always knew her soldier had come home.
Look, it's Bailey! Yeah! Oh,
Animals welcome their friends back in many ways, and this little penguin shows it in the sweetest one. Wally the wombat and Buggy the kangaroo both lost their mothers as babies, but at Lindaway Farm they found each other, and it was love at first sight. This donkey couldn't hide his happiness after finally being reunited with his human companion. Geese don't usually welcome people this way, yet this one had been waiting faithfully for the friend it loves. Nothing says happiness like the way these foxes greet their beloved human after so long.
Dixie do.
Overjoyed at seeing his friend, the lizard keeps clinging to him. The sweetest welcome came from a parrot whispering, "I love you," as if no time had ever passed. After months away, a soldier walked through the door, and his dog's pure joy said everything words could not. Few things are more precious than moments like these.
Ja, was hier so einfach aussieht, das ist schon intensive Arbeit mit den Lederglocken, also entweder wenn wir das jetzt beobachten dürfen.
To him, this isn't just a best friend, it's family. A bond born from rescue and care that nothing can break. "25 years apart, yet the chimpanzees instantly knew the woman who once gave them freedom.
It's good you got better. It's good you had a good life. You're your own girl.
Since adult otters can't truly be tamed, the trust this one shows him is something rare and beautiful. Meg and Amy greet Kevin Richardson not just as a friend, but as the man who once saved their lives and guided them back to the wild. No matter how long they've been apart, this is how these two best friends say hello. This kangaroo shows just how deeply he missed the man who once saved him. Kissing your pet is normal, but what if your best friend happens to be a bear?
You guys are just two peas in a pod, aren't you?
For zookeeper Liz, it's all cuddles. The koalas never forgot the gentle hands that cared for them. Anyone who doubts seals feel love should see the way this one clings to the diver who once gave him life. Nothing warms the heart more than a reunion like this, as a man finally holds his beloved parrot close again.
I got a cane.
Even after 30 years, Sava is still a child at heart, overjoyed to see the owner he never forgot. True love is when your best friend leaps into your arms at full speed, with nothing but trust.
Oh, good girl. Oh, good girl.
Every morning, this little otter climbs into his kayak just to greet the friend he adores. This chimpanzee was born with pneumonia and rejected by its mother. Thanks to the people who nursed it back to health, it survived. And after 2 months apart, their reunion was pure joy.
Oh, hi, Goose.
Returning
Hi,
home,
Goose.
he wasn't sure
Hi,
his
buddy.
goose would remember, but it did, and even brought friends to join the welcome. After the rescue mission, Kelsey stayed in Maple's heart. Months later at the sanctuary, the beluga swam straight into her arms, remembering her friend. A sloth's welcome may be slow, but this one's playful greeting is pure joy. The golden retriever and the cow spent months apart, yet their reunion shows a friendship too strong to fade.
All happy? Where have you been?
With a wild crow, you never know if it will return, but when it does, the joy feels like a small miracle.
Oh, you're so happy.
In her own sweet way, she says hello to her owner, making their reunion even more special. This chicken stopped her owner's car and ran to greet her, proof that even chickens can love deeply. Some of her happiest moments were spent with her therapy spuds, bringing comfort and love every day. This bull has never forgotten the people who saved him after a bullfight, holding on to their friendship for 8 years. Each morning, the elephants rush joyfully to greet the human they see as family.
Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Hi. Is Mom and Dad home? Hi.
The sweetest words, "Mommy is finally home."
What do you like? What do you like? You didn't know it was me, did you?
Hugo the parrot once slipped out the door and landed on a busy Dublin airport runway, but his story found its way back to love.
Tira foto, doido.
No, George.
Animals are the truest of friends. They never judge, never question, only love. Every day, they give us loyalty and joy, and all they ask in return is our care. Treasure them, protect them, and let their love inspire you.
It's really lovely.
Like and subscribe for more heartwarming stories
He's
of friendship.
loving that. He's absolutely loving that.
What's that?
Yes.